Hello my friends, hope all you're doing well. I'm Ellen and I want to welcome all my new and returning subscribers to episode 250 on Ellen's Homemade Delights. Before we begin, I want to thank all you again. We have reached another milestone. That's right my friends, we have reached 8,000 subscribers. Can you believe we're getting close to 10,000? I can't thank you enough my friends from the bottom of my heart. I am so thankful and grateful. Now we're on to 9,000. It is so cold outside and I can go for a nice hot cup of hot chocolate. But this isn't your ordinary hot chocolate. We're gonna make an Italian hot chocolate. And this hot chocolate is different than the American one. It is so thick and rich like a chocolate pudding. It's gonna be delicious and y'all will enjoy this hot chocolate. So grab your cocoa powder and your chocolate sugar because we're about to make some Italian hot chocolate magic in my southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, in my medium saucepan I got the fire over low heat. I have 1.5 tablespoons of white sugar and 3 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. And we're going to add in 1 cup of milk, that's whole milk, and 1/2 cup of heavy whipping cream. Going to stir that together until the sugar dissolves and then we're going to bring it to a low simmer. Alright my friends, the milk has come to a low simmer and the sugar is nice and dissolved. So next we're going to add in our slurry. This is 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 2 tablespoons of the reserved milk, and I stirred it until nice and well combined, turn into a slurry. So we're going to pour that in, stir until it's nice and well combined, and then we're going to let this cook until it's nice and thick. Alright my friends, this is what the hot chocolate looks like, nice and thick. Alright, that looks great. Next, we're going to add in 4 ounces German sweet chocolate that I chopped. Or you can use the chocolate of your choice. And the heat will melt the chocolate. And off camera, I add in some vanilla extract. Going to stir it until the chocolate melts. Alright my friends, I fixed me up a cup. And there's one more thing I got to add to it. A dollop of whipped cream and some cocoa powder on top. And there you have it my friends, Italian hot chocolate. Doesn't that look good and decadent? And it smells so good. Alright, I'm about to give this a taste. Alright, here we go. My friends, this is thebomb.com. It's so rich, full of chocolate goodness. I love this Italian hot chocolate. This is so yummy, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. And this hot chocolate definitely warms up the soul. Perfect on a cool winter day. Hot chocolate-licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in the kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see y'all on the next video. Stay warm, my friends. Cheers!